Question 23, a certain town has an area of 4.36 square miles. What is the area in square yards of this town? And 1 mile is 1,760 yards. Okay, so what I want to do is explain the reasoning behind everything. So let's take a square and I'll draw an identical square here, but I'll label these a bit differently. So this is 1 mile and 1 mile. Now here I'll label the identical square in yards. 1 mile is 1,760 yards. So 1,760 yards, YD for yards, and this is also 1,760 yards. The area of this particular square is 1 times 1, which is 1 square mile, or 1 squared square mile. This square has an area of 1760 times 1760, which is 1760 squared square yards. Okay, now we know, even though 1 mile is 1760 yards, let me write that down. 1 mile is 1760 yards. We also know 1 square mile is not 1760. It's a very big number. It's 1760 times itself, square yards. For information, it's not used in this problem, but if you go into the cubic, 1 cubic, I'll just use CU. 1 cubic mile would be 1760 cubic yards. Not used in this problem, but good to know. So we're going to use 1760 squared. Okay, so we have 4.36 square miles. So we're going to do 4.36 times 1760 squared. And that will be the final answer. Let's go get the calculator for this. So we have 4.36 times 1760 squared. And you get this answer. It's about 13 million, 13.5 million, but let's write that down. It's 13505,536. 13505,536, which matches option D, about 13.5 million square yards.